Today, we're diving into the Corsair RM750e fully modular ATX power supply, a powerhouse unit designed to deliver reliable and efficient power to your PC build. Let's break it down. First off, the fully modular design is a game changer. Say goodbye to unnecessary cable clutter. This PSU allows you to connect only the cables you need, keeping your build clean and organized. One standout feature is the inclusion of dual 8-pin EPS12V connectors. This ensures wide compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards, accommodating even the most demanding setups with ease. But what about noise levels? Fear not. The RM750e boasts a 120mm rifle bearing fan with a specially calculated fan curve, keeping noise levels down even under full load. So whether you're gaming hard or tackling intensive tasks, you can expect a whisper-quiet experience. Reliability is key when it comes to power supplies, and the RM750e doesn't disappoint. Equipped with 105°C rated capacitors, it delivers steady, dependable power and electrical performance, ensuring your components stay safe and stable. And let's talk efficiency. With 80+ gold efficiency certification and modern standby support, this PSU offers extremely fast wake-from-sleep times and better low-load efficiency, optimizing energy usage and reducing power bills. In summary, the Corsair RM750e is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to power their PC build with efficiency, reliability, and minimal noise. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional, this PSU has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.